Hey fitness fam, welcome to the benefits of. Today's topic is functional fitness. Are you tired of workouts that feel pointless? Ever wonder why some exercises don't seem to help in real life? Well, today we're diving into functional fitness, the workout method designed to make your everyday life easier, stronger, and pain-free. In this video, we'll break down what functional fitness actually is, the top health benefits you can gain, and how you can start today, even as a beginner. So grab your water, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Functional fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about moving better in your daily life. Think about it. Picking up groceries, deadlifts, climbing stairs, squats and lunges, lifting your kids, overhead presses. These workouts train your muscles to work together, just like they do in real-life movements. Instead of isolating muscles like traditional bodybuilding, functional fitness focuses on stability, coordination, and strength across your entire body. Now let's talk about why functional fitness is a game changer for your health. First, it reduces the risk of injury. Functional exercises strengthen the muscles you actually use, improving balance and joint stability. This means fewer injuries from daily activities, like pulling a muscle while bending down. Second, it builds real-world strength. Traditional gym workouts focus on individual muscles, but functional training builds total body strength. You'll notice more power, better posture, and less strain when doing everyday tasks. Third, it boosts mobility and flexibility. By incorporating full-body movements, functional training increases your range of motion and keeps your joints healthy. Say goodbye to stiffness and hello to smooth, pain-free movement. Fourth, it enhances core stability. A strong core isn't just for six-pack abs, it's for balance, posture, and injury prevention. Every functional movement engages your core, making you stronger from the inside out. Fifth, it improves endurance and cardiovascular health. Since functional workouts engage multiple muscle groups at once, your heart gets a great workout too. Expect better stamina, improved circulation, and a lower risk of heart disease. Sixth, it makes everyday activities easier. Tired of feeling exhausted from simple tasks? Functional fitness improves your strength, coordination, and endurance, making daily life effortless. And finally, it's suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner, an athlete, or a senior, functional fitness is adaptable to any level. Modify the movements to fit your needs and grow stronger over time. Ready to give functional fitness a try? Here's a simple beginner-friendly workout you can do right now. Squats, 3 sets of 10, build leg and core strength for everyday movements. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10, strengthen the upper body for pushing and lifting. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 per leg, enhance balance and mobility. Planks, 3 sets of 30 seconds, engage your core and stabilize your whole body. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 10, improve back strength and posture. Pro tip, start with body weight and progress to using weights or resistance bands. And there you have it, functional fitness in a nutshell. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information enjoyable and helpful. Please remember that the content here is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.